Hi boss, today I will introduce you an excavator. Behind me it's an Korea Hyundai wheel excavator which has just arrived at our warehouse. The model is 210W-9. Then I will show you around about this machine. Then I will introduce some details about this machine. Its count weight is 21 tons and it was made in 2023 and has worked for 640 hours. The engine is from Cummins. It is powerful and the power of the engine is 124 kilowatts. Then I will introduce you the baggage. The baggage plays a huge role in the working process. This is the baggage. The baggage capacity is 0.6 cubic meters, and the length of the boom is 5.6 meters, and the length of the arm is 2.9 meters. Then I will show you the operator cab.